वेलकम स्पीच दिनको लागि आदरणीय यस चौधरीज्यूलाई मैले हार्दिक अनुरोध गरेँ।
Everybody, गोर लागै छै, नमस्कार। I would like to say thank you to the announcer. I am Yash Chaudhary from Sri Hirabati Basic School, Bagdua, Bimar Saptari, grade 6. Good afternoon to the respected SMC Chairman Syamkant Chaudhary. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, Deputy Speaker Indira Rana Magar. Respected Special Chief Guest, Chief District Officer Bhola Dahal, District Police Chief, GAPA President Dinanath Chaudhary, Vice President Kalpana Chaudhary, Chief Administrative Officer Arvind Kumar Chaudhary, Education Section Head Yogendra Prasad Yadav, all the ward presidents, head teacher Anita Yadav, head sir and teachers of various schools, all the members, all the teachers, parents, social workers, all the security personnel, police, project manager of Toilet Marmat Sambhar Sudarshan Chaudhary, journalists, SMC Management Committee members, GAPA technicians, all the students, all the school's family members and guests and audience. First of all, wish you all a very happy welcome program, and I would like to thank Sri Hirabati Basic School for giving me an opportunity to speak about this welcome speech. We hope you all enjoy this program and that it turns out to be a great success and a memorable one for all of us. Once again, to all of you, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you.